on, guys? Today is an exciting day. I'm going to pick up the V. It is at Dynamic Driven Fabrication, getting some work done on the exhaust. If you've been with the channel for a while, you'll notice in my previous videos the V was a lot louder than it is right now, and that's because I got in trouble and I had to get some mufflers on it. I did go with Borla mufflers, so technically it's like the performance mufflers. I'm still 3 inches all the way to the back, but I did get in trouble for it being too loud. I dropped it off and I'm going with cutouts. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically controlled by a valve. You can open and close it so you can have the option to go loud or quiet whenever you want. I just missed that raw LS sound, so I had to do it. And it'll just be nice to have that option. I'm not always screaming loud like I used to be, so that'll be nice. Going to pick up my wife so she can hop in this. I'm just in the daily right now, and then we're gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna have her get some sound clips as we drive, show you guys what it's like to have them open and close, and just, yeah, kind of the difference between the two. They do amazing work there at Dynamic. I'm super excited to pick it up. If you need any fabrication done work on your car, if you're in the Salt Lake area, I would definitely hit them up. I'll put their Instagram right here, so you can message them if you want some work done. They do really cool cars. I think he's working on a Koenigsegg exhaust right now, which is insane. He built like the first Z pipe for one of my friends' C8 Z06, and that thing sounds insane. Yeah, does really cool work on a lot of cool cars. So if you need something custom done, I would definitely hit them up. So we got closed valves right now. Open. Back to close. Crazy the difference. Difference is insane. Yeah, very glad to have this sound back. Sounds so good. This is with them open. I honestly thought the drone would be like worse than this, but the drone's not bad at all. Like I can't tell the difference honestly until I'm on the gas, so that is really nice. Because before, when I was fully straight piped, the drone was pretty bad. So this was definitely the way to go. It does cost a little extra to go the cutout route, but totally worth it. Traffic for days. Unfortunately, is rush hour. I am gonna pull over in a parking lot to get more clips of it real quick. So, all right, stopped here at the car wash, get some more clips. So yeah, this is closed. I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice, but the difference is insane. So we'll get some revs with it closed. yeah, that difference is insane. Once again, huge shout out to Steve over at Dynamic Driven Fabrication. I couldn't be happier with it. If you want to get some fab work done, I'd definitely hit him up. That's gonna do it for today's video. Appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe for more. Definitely gonna do more content with the V. The goal is to get a C6 ZR1 added to this channel, so I'll have both, and that content will be even crazier. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Hit that like, hit that hype button as well. Appreciate you guys. Peace.